guys, I am Kulshreen and welcome to my channel Unbox Style with Kulshreen. In today's video, I am going to share with you all the products that all makeup beginners should have. Aloe vera gel, which I was talking about. This is from Khadi Naturals Herbal Aloe Vera Gel. Applying it a little bit. So the next step is applying the foundation. So let's start with the foundation, which I'm using is from Maybelline. And the shade number is 128 Warm Nude. So the price is $2.99. For applying this, I am going to use a dampened beauty blender. So I'm using this Lakme mirror. So the next step is taming my eyebrows. But I don't need any eyebrow gel or powder because my eyebrows are very thick. So I'll just tame my eyebrows with the spoolie. This spoolie is very clean. It comes with this mascara, but the mascara is empty, so I was using this spoolie for my eyebrow. So I'll just tame it quickly. The next step which I am going to do is applying the compact to fix my foundation. So the compact which I am going to use is the Maybelline New York compact. In the shade Pearl. The shade is this. Now we will this, applying under my eyes. On the cheeks. The brush I'm using is from Naked 3 Urban Decay. I'll show you guys the box quickly. I'll just, after apply my compact, I'll quickly show you the brush box which I got from the local market. So this is the Naked 3 Urban Decay brush box. Brush which I was using was this. So for the bronzer, I am going to use the Swiss Beauty Pro 12 Exotic Colors. So in this, I am going to use this shade. And using the same brush which I used before for my compact. So I'll just take a little bit from it. make a fish shape of your lips like this and apply on the crease, which you guys can get. So my contour is done. So my lips are getting very dried, so I'm going to apply lip moisturizer from Vaseline. Now my lips are very hydrated. So the next step is applying my eyeshadow. The product which I showed to you before about the Swiss Beauty Pro 12 exotic colors. So the eyeshadow which I'm going to use is from this, and the brush which I'm going to use is this one. So the shade which I applied for my contour, I am going to apply the transition shade, this shade as a transition shade. This shade. Removing the excess. And the shade does not look powdery, and it lasts long. So this is my eye look. Minimal and easy to do. For my blush, I am not using a blush powder or something. I am using a lipstick from Maybelline New York, Sensational Liquid Matte. This one. In the shade Keep It Mellow, the shade number is 05. I'll just add a little bit, a drop only, and quickly blend so that it does not get dried. Just smile so that the blush look nice. You can see the difference. Now I'll quickly do on the other side also. So my blush is done now. So the next step, which is my favorite step, to apply a highlighter. So let's do the highlighter. So the highlighter which I'm going to do is from the Swiss Beauty Pro Exotic Colors, 12 exotic colors. The shade is this one. This is my favorite part amongst the makeup. So I'll just apply a little bit on my cheekbones. On the bridge of my nose. This gives a shine to your makeup on the Cupid's bow, and some on my chin, and some on my forehead. After applying the highlighter, this is my face. The lipstick which I'm going to use is from Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte. The shade is Keep It Mellow. So the last step of this makeup tutorial is the makeup fixer, but I don't like applying makeup fixer because those are very expensive. I use the gulab gel. Keeping it in a distance like this. I'll just let it dry. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. So make sure you hit that like button down below. Please make sure that you subscribe before going out. Just subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post any video on this channel. So this is the final look that all the makeup beginners you should also try, and in my Instagram just DM me the looks that you tried out this look. I'll be very happy that you guys have tried this look. So